Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CAT by Nagendra. So in this tutorial, we are going to create this part in CATIA. So let me enter into here new part by using start, part design. Let's say okay. Now to create this part, as we can see, entire shape we are having with dimension of diameters. So by using these diameters, we'll come to know that entire shape we are having here with circle shape. Now, just in this case, whenever we are having entire thing as a circular section, directly we can create only this half section and we can add material with rotation. So let me enter into here new sketch on this front plane. Now we'll start from here, just one vertical. This shape I am going to draw here by using profile. Exactly from origin I'll start one vertical line, one horizontal, then one small step here, then one more step we are having here, then again one more step we are having here. This 80 diameter and 80 diameter, this line and this line should be straight. So just I'll come down here to make relation with this like this. Why? Because again no need to apply relation of same diameter of 80 like this. By using constraint, as we know that we have created only half section, dimensions also we need to give only half dimensions. So for this we are having diameter of 80, so we will give dimension of 40. Then this profile we are having diameter of 90, just I will give here 90 by 2, 45. Then this to this already we made here relation. Then last we are having diameter of 70, so this to this I will give here 70 by 2, 35. Then we'll go here with this horizontal dimensions. This we are having length of 58. Let me give this length of 58. Next we are having here 188. Just I'll give this 188. Let me adjust this by dragging this side like this. Then next we are having 84. Just I'll give dimension for this step also we are having 84. Then total we are having here 470. Total length for this we are having 470 like this. As we can check here, we have received here ISO constraint sketch, and to check either it is closed profile or open profile, we'll go for sketch analysis. We'll click on geometry. As we can see, we are having single closed profile. Just make it close. Exit workbench. With this shape, we need to add material with rotation. So directly we can go here with shaft option, which is available under sketch based features toolbar. Just I'll click on shaft. Then central axis, we want to add material with rotation with reference to this axis. Just I'll click on this y axis, and if I go for preview, as we can see, proper shape we have got and material is added with rotation. Then next to that, we are having here two pockets. So to make that pockets, as we can see, we are having one elongated hole which is having radius of 10, and here distance we are having here 100. Now exactly at this particular position, if we make cut section here with reference to A to A, and if we are seeing from this side, so we are able to get this shape. It means here we are able to get how much depth we need to give for this particular pocket. As we can see, total diameter we are having 70. From this to this we are having here 62.5. So extra 70 minus 62.5, we need to make this pocket of 7.5 from top. Now just I will go for sketch. If you want, we can create one reference plane with a distance of 70 by 2, 35. Then we can draw this shape and we can make pocket with a depth of 7.5. Or else, instead of creating plane, directly I can go here on top plane. Let me go for position sketch to make proper position like this. Exactly with reference to horizontal axis, we are having one elongated hole like this. Radius for this profile we are having radius of 10. Let me give that radius of 10. to make proper position, from end to starting we are having gap of 5. Now from the starting to this end we are having gap of 5. Then starting to ending we are having length of 100. So this curve to this curve we need here length of 100. Exactly from end to end we need to take with a length of 100. Then exit workbench. This one we need to make pocket. Just we can make it here reverse direction up to next. If you want in a simple way, we need to create one reference plane. On that plane we need to draw the sketch, then make pocket in downside direction of 7.5, or else this is little different. So we need depth of up to next. If I go for preview, material is going to remove from where we have drawn the sketch on this top plane, but we need to remove material at this height, right? As already we know, total diameter is 70. So this depth we are having 7.5. From center to this, total will be having distance of 70 by 2, 35. Now, just I will go for more. We are going to use this second direction. Just if I give value in negative side, as we can see, from how much distance we are giving here, from there material is going to remove. Now how much we want? Here we want 35 minus 7.5 I will give. Then this value should be in negative direction. I will mention here minus. As we can see, properly from there only material will be removed like this. Same similar to that, one more shape we are having. Again I will go for sketch on this top plane. To make proper position I will use swap reverse vertical. Then again I will create exactly on this horizontal axis this elongated hole. Then radius for this we are having 12.5. Just I will modify this radius as 12.5. Then dimension we are having end to end 100. This end to this end we are having length of 100. To make proper position, from this to this we are having 25. Let me give dimension from this to this edge we are having here 25. Exactly this end to end we need here 25. Exit workbench, same similar to existing one. Just I will make pocket up to next in reverse direction. Material is going to remove from this center, but we need to remove with some height. As we can see, total diameter is 90. This to this dimension we are having 81. So we need to make this pocket of only 9 mm. So 90 by 2 will get 45. Just I will go for second limit 45 minus 9. I will go for preview. This entire value we need in negative direction. I will mention minus. Now if I go for preview with the height of this 36, from there extra material will be removed here. Let's say okay. Then all addition of material done, removal of material done. Then we'll go for dress up features. As we can see, this end we are having 1.6 into 45. So 1.6 into 45 is nothing but we are having here chamfer. So this end also we are having chamfer. Then this end also we are having here chamfer. Now let me apply this chamfers at 5 places. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So just I'll select here chamfer with a length of 1.6. Here angle we need 45 degrees for this edge. Then this edge. So we should not select entire face. We need to select only this outer edge. As we can see, chamfer we are having only for outer edges like this. Let me select all these edges and dimension we are having 1.6. Let's say okay. Then next to that we are having here fillet with radius of 2 mm. Here, here and here at 3 positions. We'll go for fillet. Here also we need to select this inside curvature. Again here also inner curve. Then here also we need to select this inner curve which is having radius of 2 mm like this. Like this, we are able to create this simple part by using 4 steps. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. Once again, thank you so much.